Have you ever uploaded a video you worked hard on, only for it to get very few views? You start asking yourself, did YouTube shadow ban me? Is my channel dead? Here's the truth. YouTube is not against you. YouTube, your video is sending the wrong signals. In this documentary, you learn how to repair your videos so the YouTube algorithm start pushing them again. YouTube judges every video using three main signals. The first signal is click-through rate, CTR. Do people click your video? The second is watch time. How long do they watch? The third is audience retention. Do they stay or leave early? If one of these is weak, YouTube says this video is not satisfying viewers, and when that happens, impressions stop. Most videos don't fade because they're bad, they fail because they start wrong. So the first 5 seconds decide your entire video. Bad opening. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. But use strong opening. This one mistake is killing your YouTube views. Or most creators don't know this, and it's why they stay small. So you must create curiosity, fear of missing out, a clear reason to stay. If viewers leave early, the algorithm abandons your video. So think of your video like a person. Thumbnail must equal to the face. Title must equal to the first sentence. If the face isn't attractive, nobody stops. A good thumbnail must use between two to 4 words only. Must show emotion, shock, fear, and curiosity. Must be simple and clean. So powerful thumbnail words, like you must use the powerful thumbnail words like a secret, like a word big mistake, like a word nobody talks about this, like a word this changed everything. Your title should be complete the thumbnail, not repeated. People leave videos when the video is slow, or when there is too much talking, or when there is nothing changed on screen. To repair retention, change visuals every between 3 to 5 seconds, or use image zooms, sound effects, ask questions during the video. Example, have you noticed this on your channel? Comment below. Retention tells YouTube viewers are enjoying this video, and YouTube pushes it more. So repair the old videos and don't delete them. Deleting videos can hurt your channel. Instead, first change the title, and instead of repressing the thumbnail, and add the video to a playlist and pin a strong comment to boost engagement. These actions send fresh signals to the algorithm. Old videos can come back to life. For example, you can use your shorts to revive your channel. Where YouTube channels are powerful in 2026, they will bring new viewers, train the algorithm, promote long videos, and also how to use them. Clip between 20 and 40 seconds from long videos, and start with a strong hook, and also add big subtitles. And also posting between 2 and 3 shots per day can revive a dying channel. So, as conclusion, if your videos aren't getting views, it's not bad luck. It's not YouTube hating you. Your videos just need a repair. Fix like the hook, fix the thumbnail, fix the title, fix the audience retention. Do this consistently, and YouTube will test your channel again. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment. Algorithm if want more YouTube growth secrets. Thank you. Please make sure that you have subscribed to this channel so that we will be with you in other conversation and in other videos. Thank you.